Hello friends, greetings from Akash once again, and I'm here to show you a little something that we have done. You can call it a small innovation, a small improvement. So this, all of you would be recognizing this. This is the light bar of the NexCruise. We made this trying to improve the older one. We made this flexible and all, but what happened was that the ends, the rubber that we used in the ends was too soft for the Indian summers. So it started oozing out, and it gave problems to certain users. So we improved, and see, this is the latest one. This is the new light display, LED display. It comes in a beautiful shape like this. This is how it looks on your car, and all the indicators, essentially it is the same. Technically it is the exact same LED display, but it comes in a better form factor. Now it's a molded plastic, it will not go anywhere. It's ABS, and it looks good in your car, and also it looks round. It is the exact same shape as your car's controller. They look from the same family. So we gave it a good thought on how to make it aesthetically good and go with the rest of the product seamlessly looking. And come, let me show you how it looks when we drive it around. Okay, so we begin. Please excuse the mess that you might see in my car. It's more of a R&D vehicle. So here you would recognize that it's turned white. It responds to, so this is how it appears. This is your power modes: the eco mode, the city mode, and the sports mode. The orange, the speed limit, and speed limit turns off. And then let me arrive at the right cruising speed, and I engage the cruise. So you can see the beautiful green light. So how's the improvement? This definitely looks better than this one, right? Anyway, new things always look better. We are already shipping this out with the newer Next Cruises. And if you have been facing problems with this, there are actually two ways you can get it replaced. One is, if you are willing to change it by the DIY method, if you are willing to do it by yourself, then we will just send this newer dial to you free of cost. You need to fill the form in the description below and show that this is giving problems to you. Whatever problems, just send us some photographs and send us your NexCruise ID so that we are sure that you are an existing NexCruise user, and we'll just ship this free of cost to you. And you'll have to change it yourself, and I will rope in the method on how to do it in the same video, and it's pretty straightforward. You'll be able to do it. And in case you want us to send you the entire this thing, which you can simply put on your NexCruise, just put it in, then you can just order it on the store. We will charge a reasonable fee for that, but you can just order it, and then no DIY is involved. You can just, if you are going for the order it
DIY
and put it
install of
in
the
the NexCruise, and
LED
it will work
display
for you.
in your NexCruise, you are going to receive this in an envelope like this, and the contents will include this display itself and then few heat shrink sleeves. You are going to need them to insulate the connections. We'll just show you how to use them. So essentially all you need to do is cut the wire of your existing light bar and simply match color to color and connect them. So you can simply cut the old light bar away like this and then strip it off. If you've got the stripper, great. If you have not got the stripper like this one, you can use some other tool, but just make sure that you don't pull the copper wires inside. If you have ever done some DIY electrical connections, the trick is almost the same, nothing fancy here. Now once you strip them away, you just need to match color to color and connect the colors. So before you connect, you just need to insert the heat shrink sleeves, because you will not be able to insert them after the connections are made. This is important. So first insert the thicker heat shrink tube, and then the thinner tubes, one on each wire, like so. And once they are connected, all you need to do is wrap the wires together like this. If you've got a soldering iron, great, you can use that. If you've not got it, this itself will suffice, because the strength and the secure connections are going to happen just using the heat shrink tubes. So this is how you just need to bend, twist the same color wires together, and then pull the heat shrink tubes on top of these connections. Just make sure that each connection is isolated, fully covered by this heat shrink tube, and they do not touch each other. Now, once they're in place, you can use a matchstick to shrink the tube and put securely in place. Do not use the flame for too long. The moment you hit it with the flame, you will see that the heat shrink tube immediately shrinks around the connection. And once you have made sure that they are isolated properly, you just need to pull the thicker heat shrink tube like so over the connection, and use another matchstick to secure this thicker heat shrink tube like this. And we are done. You can test it out by connecting the light bar, your new LED strip, to your NexCruise, and making sure that it glows. So as soon as you connect the new light bar, you'll see that it glows in the right manner, and you can test it out by pressing various buttons, and it should work just as your old light bar used to work. And you're done. Congratulations. Now your NexCruise is upgraded.
So we hope that we have done a reasonably good job here for you. Just let us know in the comments, and please stay tuned. We'll keep you posted on the new innovations that we are doing. Okay, this is Akash signing off. Goodbye from Team AHA. Jai Hind.